This is another Peripheral era devlog on the second part of UI that I've added for the game. This UI change is to coincide with the major playtest that we've done. So a lot of those changes are going to be based around preparing for the playtest, and I'll also be talking a bit about the UI moving forward after receiving feedback on the playtest. First of all, demoing things, you'll see in the bottom left that the stamina bar has been changed to be a custom asset that Caden made. Jack has also implemented sounds for these things, which is great. But I've just used the same principles as before, layering in outline on top of a red layer below to make it look like it's draining, and then I've just laid the transparent CPU image on the outside over it, and that went in fairly seamlessly. I've also added on pressing P a debug menu. This was specifically for the playtest, just so that we didn't have to die on the build each time, so that we could just do so that we could just click P and go to the main menu or restart it or quit out of the application. This is the main menu in its current state. It's got the quit button, which does fully work, the settings button, which also works with the closing button, and this play button here. All of those are custom assets. I've had no issues with getting them in, but we are planning on animating the play button, so I will see how that is to implement. Probably just going to be using like PNG sequences or something. As far as the feedback we received, one of the biggest feedbacks about the UI was that people would love for there to be some kind of indicator of how many collectibles you've collected, as once you get one, you just kind of have it, and it's hard to tell that you need 7 or how many of those 7 that you have. So an on-screen display for that is going to be added, so that when you click tab, it shows up on the screen, and I'll be using the code for the debug menu, and I'll be putting that on escape probably, and making it into a pause menu, just adjusting it. And then in this settings menu, I'll be adding all of the controls in alongside probably an adjustable controls menu as a stretch goal, but we'll see how that goes. That's the current state of UI in Peripheral era. That's the end of the devlog.